Hi guys! Welcome back sa YouTube channel ko. So for today, may sasagutan tayo na math problem coming from the September 2017 Electrical Engineering Boards, Engineering Mathematics and Calculus. Pero before that, shoutout muna sa mga Lodi Geeks natin, sila Evan Ram Manocol, Ralph Jan Cacho, Mark Carlo Jocariza, Zyrel Joseph Pido, and Marn Badillo. And maraming salamat sa inyo mga Lodi Geeks sa patuloy na support sa channel natin, sa page natin, even sa mga platforms na meron sa Sir IJN. I hope you all the best. God bless you always. So, ang problem natin is all about length of an arc. So, the problem is find the length of an arc 6xy equals x to the 4th plus 3 from x equals 1 to x equals 2. So, for this problem, medyo formula-based na lang siya mga Lodi Geeks. And how do we find ba Sir IJ yung length ng arc ng isang curve? So, let us recall that to find the arc length or the length of an arc of a specific curve, that is the integral of the square root of 1 plus dy. Kunyari from x equals a to x equals b, ganito siya. Dx over dy over dx, quantity squared. Dx from x equals a hanggang x equals b. Okay, so ito dito, 1 to 2. Kasi doon naman to sa x naman daw Kapag y, dx over dy ito, tapos ito dy. Okay? So ito guys, pakitandaan po yung formula na to. To find the length of an arc of a curve, square root of 1 plus dy over dx, or dy dx, quantity squared, dx evaluated from x equals a to x equals b. Specified naman siya. So, the first thing we have to do is to find the derivative. So, kailangan medyo kabisado pa rin naman natin yung fundamentals. So, how do we find po ba yung derivative niyan, Sir IJ? Okay, sige. Listen, guys. So, we have 6xy equals x to the 4th plus 3. So, the best way to find its derivative is hindi na tayo implicit differentiation. What we can do is, we will solve explicitly for y, or we just isolate y and then express it in terms of x. So, how do we express that, Sir IJ, in terms of x? So, divide both sides of the equation by 6x. So, we will be having 6xy over 6x. So, that's y equals x to the 4th all over 6x plus 3 over 6x. Although this can still be simplified. So, simplify natin para kayang-kaya na itong integrate ng mga calculators natin. Kasi kung mamano-manuhin mo to, medyo matatagalan ka since ang board exam naman is time pressure. Gamitin mo yung mga bagay na best friend mo usually during board exam, which is syempre yung number 1 yung calculator natin. So we have x cubed all over 6 plus 3 over 6, that's 1/2, right? 1 over 2x. So meron na tayong y, Sir IJ. So ano next step? Based on the formula, we need to find dy dx. That is the first derivative of the function. Ano derivative ng x cube, mga Lodi Cakes? So that's 3x squared. Binabalang ni Sir IJ yung 3 and then bawas ng isa sa exponent. All over 6. Ang derivative ng 1 over x, guys, dapat alam nyo agad to na negative 1 over x squared. So that is 1 minus 1 over 2x squared. Ito kasi 1/2 naman yan, constant yan. So carry over na lang yung 1/2. And then yung x squared is the derivative or the 1 over x squared is the derivative of 1 over x. Just don't forget the negative sign. So, mga basic derivative rules na lang yan. And then, we will now solve for the length of the arc. So, we have the length is equal to the integral from 1 to 2 ng square root, Sir IJ, ng 1 plus dy dx, which is the 3x squared. Ay, oo. Ito pala, guys, pwede nyo pang isimplify ito. Sorry, I forgot. So, pwede mo pa itong isimplify as x squared over 2. I'm sorry. So, minus 1 over 2x squared. And then, lagay mo siya dito. So, we have x squared over 2 minus 1 over 2x squared. And then, just don't forget the dx. So, anong gamit na calculator ni Sir IJ na approve sa board, sa PRC, which is yung Cars KCS 991, guys. Sa mga nagtatanong po, out of stock po kasi ang Cars ngayon, babalik po sila ng July 20. And then yun guys, pwede naman kayo umorder sa Shopee, pwede rin sa TikTok showcase ni Sir IJ. Once available naman, magpo-post na lang din si Sir IJ na meron na tayong Cars calculator. So, most likely ang expected date niya is July 20. So, applying integration using our Cars calculator, square root of 1 plus the quantity of x squared all over 2 minus 1 over 2x squared raised to the power of 2, evaluated from x equals 1 to x equals 2. And then, mabilis lang naman siya makukuha ng calculator natin. Pero pag sinod nito mano-mano, medyo matagal. Pero using our CARS calculator, so the length of the arc is equal to 17 over 12 units. So for this given board problem, the correct answer is letter B. Yung iba guys nga, niluluksom na lang to. Pero yun nga, ang importante kasi dito sa video natin is kailangan mabalikan nyo lang yung basic formula. Kasi hindi naman natin masabi what if balitan yung given. So at least alam nyo pa rin yung formula na gagamitin nyo. And just master the basics like the basic derivatives and then yung substitution na lang sa formula. And yun guys, maraming salamat sa mga patuloy na sumusuport sa channel natin. I hope you all the best. Kita-kits tayo sa mga susunod na engineering and math related videos natin. And God bless you all. Bye-bye and thank you.